Hi, Dr. Lynch. This is my screencast for level 3 and for the bonus. So here's the first video, why to approach coding as a composition practice, computer science for all, this is in chat. Here's my comment. Every time I meet someone who uses code, it's followed with what's your favorite language. I never thought of being called a language due to its syntax, but simply some of this coding jargon. Yeah, it really, truly, coding is the future. Its applications are so wide, and honestly, it's just there are actually some really good websites to use, like Khan Academy, Code Academy, that will teach our students to code for free, and is definitely a resource that we need to use. My second one is algorithms. 15-minute introduction to algorithms. Here's my comment. Again, algorithms we use subconsciously, even consciously. Seriously, it's something we take for granted, and really interesting video. As you said, definitely fell in love with the guy. Great video. Third comment. This one I actually enjoyed the most since I related most to it, but great. And again, another video, great video. Here's my comment. Now I have over here, I have the comment on sins. Comment as well is right here for the bonus. I also then replied to Usama Mohsin right here. And then again to Louise. And then finally, once more on sin. So that's it for my screencast. Again, another great week, and I seriously, truly appreciate all of this. Thank you again, and look forward to hearing from you next.